Hi, it's me. This is just a quick video to show you how to put together the explosion box, and it's actually pretty straightforward. So I am just going to give you a few tips on assembling everything together. So when you purchase the bundle, each one of these little cards that you see here and the explosion box itself comes with a set of instructions. So prior to getting to this point, you have had to assemble the box as well as those cards. And when you're assembling the box and the cards, please be sure to use the size that is intended, and those are also included in the instructions and all the tips as well. Another thing is that you will need the frame, and the frame is the part that you see going around each one of these individual mini cards. Another point that I want to touch on is that while you can put the cards anywhere you want in the squares, you want to be mindful of the way that the card opens so that it doesn't run into any other card. So in this next part of the video, I am just going to open up each one of these cards so you can see how they interact with the elements on the sides of them. Most of them do not matter because they open up and out, so they won't run into any of the cards on their sides, but there are a couple of them that do. And the squash card, even though it's large, no problem. The envelope, no problem. Heart lock, no problem as well. But the ones with the tabs, like this waterfall one, you want to make sure it's along the edge, as well as this pull tab and rise. So yeah, the other ones, no problem because it's a pocket and you take it out. And this one, it opens up as well. So that's it. So when you close up the box, the ends go in first. And then this part goes up and this part goes over. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.